Hello guys, welcome back to Cookerking's live channel. This is your old friend Sai. We've been meet up lots of times, so I'm going to introduce our new set of this greenery. Okay, so it's basically die casting items of our new set. It wins 2019 AF Reward. So very special design, and we put very popular colors. As you can see, there's a gray, and it's called Ultimate Gray. And outside color, we are using the glossy white, yellow. These are most popular color in 2021, awarded by the Pantone company. Okay, so this set we have multiple size for your choose. So you can see there's a deep fry pans. On the table we have 28 and we have 26 as well. And the saucepan is 16 centimeters, 22 casserole, I pot, 30 centimeters divided hot pot, 3-in-1 multifunction breakfast, and 32 wok. So these are very big sets, so I'm going to introduce this set one by one in next show, all right? So let's begin. Now we are looking at the 28 centimeters deep fry pan. We have two sizes of this deep fry pan, 26 and 28. The 28 deep fry pan height will be 7.2, sorry. It's quite high, so we call it deep fry pan. Now, as you can see, we are using the flat glass lid and with a silicone rim. So it's all gray. I told you in the brief introduce, these two colors are the most popular color in 2021. Just awarded by Cartoon. So the gray and the yellow color makes a perfect match. Looks quite nice. But if you want to change it into a regular shaped G glass, we can make it happen. Or otherwise you don't like the silicone rim, we can also change it into the stainless steel rim. You can see the knob here is specially designed, a round shaped knob, so you can hold it very steady and very comfortable. So if you don't like this design, you want a round one or triangle one, we can change it for you. And especially here, we are making this vat, cross-cut vat. It's a very nice one, right? So the lid is okay, I just put here. So let's see the deep fry pan. Now, the inner coating, we are using the regular black non-stick coating. It's PDFE. So if you prefer the marble or the granite, the ceramic, whatever color you need, just let us know. From different brand and different grade, we can make these happen. And outside color, we are using the heat-resistant coating, the yellow, right? It's very shiny, very nice. You can decorate as a souvenir in your kitchen. So both the inner side and outside coating, we can change the color, change the grade. Okay, now as a spare parts here, we are both using the gray color. Now you can see it's a perfect match. And the handles are made of the bakelite. So it's soft touch. There's a silicone covered all over it. So with this very strict line, it can hold it very steady. But I want to let you know one thing. These handles cannot be changed because it's die casting item, all right? So the bottom thickness is reached 4.5 millimeters, so there won't be any smoke while you're cooking. Okay, let's see the bottom. The bottom is using the dot induction bottom, so it can transfer the heat very quick and find the perfect balance between the price and the efficiency. The middle part, you can see there's a Cookerking logo here, embossed logo, very nice. And we can also change this embossed logo into yours. So from the bottom to the inside, from the coating and the handles or the colors can be customized. Now you are looking at the high pot. I mean, someone called it casserole, but we prefer the high pot as well. So the dimension is 22 centimeters and the height will be 15 centimeters. It's quite high. So although the dimension is not that good, but it can contain even better than the 24 centimeters casserole. It can contain almost 6 liters. Okay, so as this set, we also use the flat glass lid here with the same spare parts. I mean, the gray knob and the silicone rim. Now, if you prefer the round-shaped glass lid, we can make it. And the vat is also using the very special design, the cross-ring vat with stainless steel. It's very shiny and beautiful. Now you can see there's a symbol here. There's a very special design in our lid. You can see there's a cut pot from the 12 o'clock and the 6 o'clock. These two parts can let the steams out, all right? Very nice design. So with the 15 centimeters height, we can put a little chicken or all kinds of soap in, all right? The inner coating, outside coating, I've told you before, it's a PDFE non-stick coating, and the outside will be heat-resistant coating. The inner coating we can change into marbles. We have done many inner coatings before with the same set. The black marble, the brown, even the green, whatever you need. And outside color, we also have tried a lot, but we found this 2021 popular color, the ultimate yellow, is quite nice. Okay, so also the ears, you can see there are very steady ears, 2 ears. Okay, hold it very comfortable. And these ears are made of bakelite and can take the oven, use safe, all right? These are also covered with silicone rim. The bottoms also with induction plate, all right? So can use on the all gas tops, even the induction tops, halogens, ceramic, whatever. And the inners, the middle of the bottom, there's a logo. We can change the logos. If you don't like this one, we can also use the silk print or even with lasers. We can almost put your logos everywhere. I mean, the silk print, we can also use your logos on the glass lid. So quite nice. Now here comes our wok. Now we have 2 sides of options worked for your choose, 30 centimeters and 32. This one is 32. It's quite big work. Basically this work of the height of 22 centimeter is 9.5 to 10 centimeters, but ours has 11.5, so it's quite big. Now you can see the very big surface of the bottom, so you can boil or fry everything you want, a big fish or the whole chickens, salad or whatever you need. So inner coating, we use the black non-stick, the PDFE coating, and outside coating also the ultimate yellow. It's quite nice. So we can change these coatings from the different brands, Whitford, Elag, and other domestic coatings, economic or very good non-stick performance, we can change these for use. And the outside color we can customize for you. For example, these days the rose gold color is quite popular in Middle East and Korea. We can change these. Okay, so as a set, all using this flat glass lid, and you can see there's a two spout from the 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock, two spout. It's easy to pull out of the soap. And you can see there's two special designs. There you can see there's a very special design here. The two design in this bottom of the handles. There are two cut part here. So when you put the spout in here, if you just leave these work on your gas, you just forget it. Things, I mean the food in it, the solid in it, or the liquid in it won't come out. And the handles, we are using these straight handles, right? Covered, backlight covered with silicone soft touch. As usual, the bottom, we are using the induction bottoms, and the side, middle of the bottom side, we use the embossed logo, so we can change the logos for you. And the logo centimeters, this one is 3 millimeters. If you want to put your big logos, I mean, we can make it 5 millimeters. So it won't put any efficiency of the induction heat, all right? Okay, so quite nice work, right? Now here comes our very special multifunction breakfast pan or breakfast griddle, whatever you want to call it. It's 24 multiplies 26. The height will be 4.5. You can see it's divided for 3 parts. And this area we have many great ribs here, so you can just cook, fry sticker or bacons, and even the salad here. And you can see these 2 parts, we are having 2 very special designed cartons here. Here's a very cute kitty, and here's are some kind of flowers. So just put your eggs here, and this one we can just fry some bread or pancake. This here we can just fry some bacons, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. That makes you a perfectly a breakfast. Quite a nice one, right? And let's see the bottom. You can see the bottom is specially designed. It's not kind of usually designed very round induction plate. It's a very square shaped induction plate. So it can transfer the heat very fast and very even. The middle of the logos, we can change these logos. And of course, now the inner coatings, we are seeing the black coating, non-stick PDFE, and outside coating also the heat resistant, right? So if you want to change the logos, change the coatings, the inner coating, outside coating, we can do it for you. And if you don't like these colors of the handle, we can change the handle. You can make we can make it wooden soft touch or just black backlight. All right. There are also the grip here, right? So if you are putting lots of things here, we can just lift it very easily. And as this quite nice grill, we can just serve these, the dishes just around the table, right? You don't need a bowl. Okay, here comes our divided hot pot. Right? It's quite big one, right? So now you can see it's divided as a pattern Tai Chi or yin and yang in English, whatever you say. So you can just boil the very light sauce here and maybe the heavy sauce, spicy food here, right? Most guys love the hot pots these days. So this one, we don't use the flat glass lid. We just use regular G-shaped glass lid. So the steamer, you guys know why we'll boil the food in your hot pot. We don't use this flat lid, so the steamers won't come out, right? So you can see this is another options for you guys, as this set using the very same spare parts, the round knob and the very big shaped ears. Okay, very nice. And these, there are two spots here, so the steamers and waters won't come out. Okay, so it's a die casting divided hot pot. The dimensions will be the 36 centimeters and the height will be the 9.8. So it's a very big divided hot pot or casserole. So it's almost for 6 to 8 people for using. All right, there are very nice declinations here. So let's see the inside. Wait a minute. You can see there is a very special design here. You can see there is a gap here, right? From the edge to the body, there is a gap here. So, and you can see there is still gap during these lids here. So it can perfectly match and seal this hot pot very perfectly. All right. Okay. So I've told you many times the inner coating and outside coating, the ultimate gray, and the outside will be the glossy white, the popular color of 2021. So, the bottoms, as usual, induction bottoms with the embossed logo here, so quite regular, but can transfer the heat very even. So all things can be customized. So thanks for watching our introduce of this IF Reward greenery set. Okay, so as we said before, Cookerking have several lines of die casting. 7 lines. And we have forge and press items. If you're looking for different items, aluminum or carbon steel, you just let us know. You can visit our website. You just contact now. We can send you e-catalog, whatever you need. All right. So just find us and find the cookware solutions. So don't leave. We have more very popular cookware coming. All right. So thank you.